Okay, now I'm gonna present you the Shemachoch app, which is designed and developed to automate the Shemachoch workflow, which is the buyers associations formed to provide consumption items with a fair price. Those associations currently working manual using a manual approach, so I'm gonna try to automate that approach and using a mobile device for the purchase and tracking the items. Basically, the applications has two modules. The first one is the tracking module. The other one is a transaction module. The tracking module is used to track where the item is it in the hands of the wholesaler, is it at the in the stocks of the Shemachoch associations, or is it in the hands of the shop owners. In some association, shop owners act like a distribution channel for an items. So that is the first module. The other module is the transaction module. So now I'm checking that my CBE wallets account. So my current balance is like 1085 there. So I'm gonna show you that the transaction modules of my system, and that you can see that the purchasing process through the app. So when you starting the app at the first time, it requires some permissions from the user. So one of the permissions is an accessibility users and accessibility rules that used to intercept the incoming calls and incoming SMSs. So that's the first permissions, and there is also a call and an SMS permissions also needs to be granted for the application. So now I'm giving these two permissions. So the first page of the app has three buttons. The first one is for the end users, and the second one is for the distributors, which is the shop owners. And as I told you, in some associations, these shop owners act like a distribution channels. So the third one is a Shemachoch supervisor, which is a person which is organize these distributions activities. So let's see the transaction module. So the user is just getting to the end users page. So the first thing is inserting the coupon. The coupon is a unique number which is given for every individual's buyer. So let's say assume that I'm one of the end user, which is a consumer. So 000 is my coupon number. So when I press the coupon button, the dialog box pop and ask me that is it my coupon number, because sometimes typing error may lead to put you in some others individual identity. So you have to verify that. So okay, so this transaction is previously tracked. So let's see a new transaction. 00001. So let's make a new transaction here. So I'm gonna select the items. A list of items is here. So let's have an oil and sugar for now. So there is a limitations of an amount purchase at a time. So for instance, when I put 60 in there, so it tells me that it's beyond the limit. So I need to put a correct number or a correct amount. For instance, 3. Okay, this is possible. So the amount is 3, then the price is 2, so the total payoff is 6. Okay, let's cancel this one. Okay, just one. Add. Okay, so let's add another one. Okay, so the total payoff now is 3, both sugar and oil. I'm gonna purchase 1 kilo of sugar with and 1 liters of oil. So each price is here and the total price is here. If I'm gonna put additional purchase on the sugar, it's have to give us an error because an item can purchase once per month. So the duplicate entry which is not allowed, so fine. So next, on the next page we have got a bunch of options of payment modes. So a person can purchase using a CBE wallets account, or a person can pay off with cash. So if you are decide to pay using a CBE BIR, there is 2 options. You can put the transaction, that the payment process by your hand is possible. You can proceed with this one, or you simply can give your PIN number here, then the purchases took place. Just put your PIN number, then pay. So the amounts you pay will be 3 BIR, and then it's automatically transferred to the payment. So in our case it's Ermias Abebe. Assume that it's a Shemachoch account, so the process is already completed. Okay, so let's see what exactly happened. So the amount you enter is lower than the minimum limits. Okay, so our system attempts to transfer an account. I think CB BIR. So okay, fine, yeah, done. Okay, I think the transaction takes place. See, okay. So automatically when this happens,